we are an integrated microbiome and genomics lab, the aim is to be able to improve their life and quality of life. That's where the beauty of this science comes, because you're working with nature.
Are you having any other research institutes aligned with you, or do you plan to align with some research institutes to help you in your research or to expand your business?
Yeah, very good question. Actually, we do have a very active research programs, and I'm proud to say that because we are an integrated microbiome and genomics lab, we are able to offer much more in terms of being able to collaborate with genuine research partners who want to take science of this forward. And I can tell you, without the science going forward, without collaboration, no science of tomorrow is going to be possible. So we are very open. We have structured this into our thought process right from beginning, and we are actively doing research collaboration on a few areas I can share with you. Yoga, for example, and the science of yoga, and how does the science of yoga translate into benefits for your body, is all coming down to your genomics and your microbiome. And the changes that yoga make, we have been able to map some of those changes and compile scientific evidence that came out of particular yoga asanas. And this is currently, as I speak, is being compiled into a research paper that's going to be published.
Along with microbiomes, you're also doing genomics.
Another very exciting research that we are doing is intervention for autism and autistic kids through gut microbiome. And that's an active research program where we have collaborated with a research institute in Hyderabad, where they want to develop fecal transplant as a therapy for autistic kids, and we are their microbiome research partner in this process.
Can you elucidate on that, please?
So for autism, what has, the science that's emerging now is autistic kids have dysbiosis, or an altered microbiome, and that alteration is what amplifies or makes some of their signs and symptoms, or it affects their day-to-day life. And by correcting that at a gut level, we are the aim is to be able to improve their life and quality of life. And to do that, there's a therapy which is currently underway in studies, clinical trials, which is called fecal transplant, where normal healthy microbiome will be transplanted to autistic kids, and these kids are demonstrably better, much better, leading much better lives. Microbiome is starting to get recognized as an organ.
It is similar to a bone marrow transplant, like you do.
But probably much simpler to do. As I was explaining to you earlier, altering your microbiome is not as difficult as making other lifestyle changes or other changes in your body. And that's where the beauty of this science comes, because you're working with nature.